Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of an HR request process in Pipefy. My name is Isa and I'm a part of the Solutions Engineering team. Over the years, we have worked with a variety of market-leading companies and we have noticed some common pain points in the HR request process, such as multitude of contact channels that complicate team management, decentralized data that require regular manual work, communication challenges to keep all stakeholders up to date with the HR process, and a scattered process with a lack of standardization that prevents the implementation of continuous improvement. If these issues sound familiar, our platform can help. With Pipefy, you'll be able to centralize your HR requests without compromising your variety of contact channels, quickly access your request process data, enabling deadline control and KPI monitoring, optimize communication with all stakeholders through notifications, messages, and emails, and standardize and control the HR request process in a single place, guaranteeing your visibility and governance. An HR request starts with a new demand from an employee, such as a vacation or benefit request, a change of position, and salary update. It is important for the employee experience to easily find and access the HR request channels. That's why Pipefy offers many different possibilities on how to start your requests. For the employee, one of the easiest ways to start a request is accessing a link to a form and fill in their information. This link can be centralized in an employee portal where many HR forms are available, providing a practical and centralized solution. Every time a request is submitted through a form, the employee will receive an automatic email with a link to track their request and stay up to date with the progress of the request. We can also give free access as company guests for all employees. In this manner, new requests can start and be monitored directly from the employee's mobile using the Pipefy app. Finally, we can also create requests through email or through a chatbot in your messaging software of preference, such as Slack, Teams, or SMS. This way, your employees can access the HR team through many different channels, while the team will easily manage all requests in a centralized platform. Now that a couple of requests were created in the HR process, the HR team can start working on solutions for each of them. The working routine starts when accessing the company's environment and choosing the HR request process. Here, we can quickly identify all steps of the process. Since different demands are centralized here, such as vacation requests, benefit requests, position and salary changes, leave and feedback submissions, the flow runs in the following fashion. All requests arrive in backlog. Then, depending on the request, it may go through approvals, and by the end of the process, these requests are processed and scheduled. Even though different requests flow through different phases, in this process, everything is centralized to facilitate the control and prioritization of work for each HR analyst. Now, let's start working on a request waiting in the first step. Here, we just received the salary update request. The analyst in charge for this type of request is assigned automatically and will be instantly notified to start filling the standard fields of this phase. Now, we can click here to automatically move this request to the next step, following the predetermined flow of this type of request. In this case, the next step is processing. In processing, Pipefy is connected to a database and employee management tool called Bamboo HR. It is also possible to connect other HR and database solutions such as Active Directory and Workday. Here, we will update the employee data with a single click, uploading the relevant information acquired in Pipefy during this process to other tools. Now the request is done and will stay documented here in the final step of the process. Let's grab another request. This time, it is a vacation demand. After being assigned to another analyst, it will go through the approval steps of the process. The approver can also be automatically assigned according to a predefined business rule and will be notified to approve the request directly in their tools of preference. Through Pipefy, this can be done directly in the mobile app. The notification arrives and the request can be quickly approved. Another way the approval request can arrive is through email, where the approval will simply click the link and approve. Finally, it's also possible to approve requests through messaging softwares such as Slack, Teams, or SMS. When the approval message is received, we just click the approval button and the answer is automatically inserted in Pipefy, progressing the request in a matter of seconds. This will guarantee an agile and handy approval flow where different stakeholders can communicate without stopping their routines. Back to the analyst in the process, the vacation request is already awaiting and scheduling. Here, the analyst can quickly block the employee's calendar during the vacation period to provide a peaceful vacation time for them. Now that 2 requests were successfully completed, we can take over the leader's perspective and verify the metrics of the whole HR team. In dashboards, managers can build charts to follow up on their team's performance, or it is possible to connect Pipefy with business intelligence solutions such as Power BI. In this case, we can quickly identify that the delivery performance is on point, the average lead time is within target, and the number of requests per analyst is balanced. However, we can also identify an improvement opportunity in the number of requests in the pending actions tab. Remember that with Pipefy, you'll be able to standardize the inputs of information to reduce the rework of your team. Process optimization is only a few clicks away with the convenience of Pipefy's no-code interface. For example, here we can change the start form inputs by changing fields to mandatory, guaranteeing a continuous operation improvement and providing the better experience to the team's routine. With that, we finished this demonstration of an HR process. If you have questions, you can access our community or contact our team through email or through the Pipefy chat. See you soon!